Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be doing something slightly different. As you can see, I've got my full face of makeup already done. Eyes done, brows done, face done, everything is done apart from my lips. And that's because today I'm going to be showing you guys and trying on every single shade of the new ColourPop Matte Luxe Lipsticks. I don't know if you can see this behind me here. So this is the Matte Luxe Lipstick Vault. And this is this rather large package here. So, ColourPop released new Luxe Matte Lipsticks, which are these here. There are 12 shades, and I'm going to be trying on all of them. Not just one, not just two. I'm going to be trying on all 12 and swatching them all, showing you them, seeing how they look on. I'm excited. I'm really excited. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how all the swatches look on, and then at the end of the video I'll talk a little bit about the lipsticks, how I felt they were, how I thought that they performed, so on so on. So I'll do the swatches now and then I'll talk about it at the end. But before we get into this video, before you go anywhere, I want you to stop. I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe! Now let's get on to the video. So I'm just going to briefly show you what these lipsticks look like, the packaging. So this is the Luxe Vault here. 12 lipsticks are in it. This is what it looks like inside. So you can see the 12 lipsticks there. They all are like rose gold lipstick packaging. I love the packaging actually, it's really nice. They all have like ColourPop written on it. With these as well, when you take it out, on the inside, it has like these stars like imprinted on the lipsticks, which I absolutely love. If you can see that there, guys. So they all pretty much look the same. All have ColourPop written on it, all have the stars, all are like rose goldy gold packaging. So let's see what the colours look like on. Hey guys, so I'm back after swatching all 12 lip shades of the ColourPop Luxe Matte Lipsticks. Now, I've got to say that these lipsticks feel so soft, like they feel incredible on your lips. They don't feel drying, they don't feel uncomfortable, they literally just feel really smooth and soft on your lips. It almost feels like a cream lipstick rather than a matte, because matte sometimes can dry down and just feel horrible and dry, but this literally, like, it feels so soft. And even when I'm doing that, like, it's not removing any of the product off my lips either. So I'm loving it. I feel like some of the colours in the Luxe Vault are a little bit extreme and out there. For example, this colour, I just kept this on because it's like the last shade that I used that was in the box. I don't think it goes with this eye look. I don't even know if I'm liking this colour. I mean, it is quite nice. I do like it, but I think some of the colours are just not for me, whereas some were more me. But yeah, I absolutely love the lipsticks. I love the feel of them. I love how they look. They're all so pigmented. As you've seen from the swatches, they were so pigmented and bright and out there. So they're very bold and beautiful. I love them. With the ColourPop Matte Luxe Lipsticks Vault, it does retail for $84, which is around £63, which to me personally I think is really good, because you're getting 12 lipsticks for £63. A MAC lipstick is what, like £12–15? You would not be able to get 12 lipsticks for that price. If you were getting like 12 MAC lipsticks, it would come to like over 100 quid, like 140 quid or something like that. So the fact that you're getting 12 extremely pigmented, soft, matte, luxurious lipsticks, 12 of them, for £63, I think it's an absolute bargain. I think it is such a good price for 12 lipsticks, amazing. But overall, I love the lipsticks, I love the price range, I love how they look, I love how they feel. They feel incredible. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as well. I hope you've enjoyed the swatches that I've shown you. Let me know in the comment section which colour was your favourite. If you've tried these at all, then let me know. Don't forget to like this video, as I said, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you for another video.